We do not have a partridge, but we do have a pear tree, and we are finally getting pears from it. This one fell on the ground, but it's been here for like 5 years, and we finally have pears growing in our pear tree. We're very excited about that, and we'll show you the rest of what we have growing in a minute. We do have a bunch of hay bales. This is just one of them, but we have a bunch of hay bales, not from our property, but from our neighbor's property. So we got a ton of food for the cows as well. Now in the greenhouse, we have a ton of kale growing, a ton of kale. Like, it just really took over. I don't think we got any spring onions growing, but lots of kale. And then our fig tree has a bunch of baby little figs growing on it. I don't know if you can really see them, but we've got a ton of little figs. We have not been home much, so we haven't really been watering in here, but they do get water from their roots from underneath, so they should be pretty good. Looks good. Our peach tree has been doing amazing this year. We've been eating a bunch of these peaches like every day. They're really, really good. And we don't got a ton of bugs on them. This one's got a crack in it actually. But they've been really, really good, and we've been just eating them. And they're really juicy. And then we've also been getting some, we haven't picked any yet because it's not their season, but we've got our grapes, our table grapes are growing. Actually, see some of them doing really good. And then our elderberries are right over here. These are also doing really good, and those are probably pretty close to getting ready for a harvest. So this is kind of our entry for, or part of the August garden tour with Gale Southern Living. We've been super busy recently, so we haven't had much time to work in the garden. So it's a little overgrown through weeds, but just a little bit. So over here we've got our beets, and they are looking phenomenal. They're growing really, really well. You can kind of see the, yeah, let's see right under there. There's a bunch of bees by our mint. I'm trying to move slow. But the beets look really good, and so do these weeds. They've grown really well. This is our Three Sisters garden bed, and by Three Sisters I do not mean us. We have beans growing in here. We've got these Great Northern beans growing up there, and then we've got some squash right here. That's squash. Acorn squash, I believe. And then we also have the corn growing in the back, and it's doing really well. So even though we didn't weed, we are going to get some good harvest out of this. All right, now this is our tomato and pepper bed. Again, it's really being overtaken with weeds. But you can see we've got some tomatoes growing. There's some basil right there. And the peppers are in the back. I'm not sure if there are any peppers back there. But tons of tomatoes are coming up and doing well. This is where we are growing our beefsteak tomatoes, so our slicing tomatoes for sandwiches. The other bed was our canning tomatoes. And we have some beefsteaks growing here, and some basil, so we should make some really good sandwiches out of this bed. Again, it's overtaken by weeds, but we should still get a lot of stuff out of it. We've got melons and cucumbers growing up these trellises here. Overtaken by weeds. Weeds are everywhere, but we do have them. More stuff back here. This is, I think, where the trellises are back there. And they are growing up on, but you can't really see them. There's one. Got a ton of garlic in this bed. This has just been reproducing on its own for the last couple of years, and the weeds won't be here anymore in the fall when we try to get the garlic out, but we've got some great garlic going on. You've got this stuff here. This is all from the garlic, so it's everywhere. All right, so that's how our garden is doing this August, and I figured I'd give you a quick update of how the farm animals are doing. Bailey, who keeps messing up the fence and getting out, hi Harv, she's actually super pregnant and super ready to have her babies, right Bailey? Right, good girl. So Bailey's gonna have kids any day now. You're a good girl. And yeah, he's not really doing anything now. These are two of Bunky's turkeys. It's Copper and Rusty, and they're doing good. Here's Buckbeak. He's been doing, He's been doing really good. I found out a couple days ago that he's actually a girl. What was I look for? I was giving him a bath and he started making the drumming noise. So Buckbeak's a girl, and that's why we didn't get any eggs. We have 2 girls. But if Buckbeak's a girl, the best behaved female emu on the planet, female emus are usually very aggressive, and Buckbeak is not. Buckbeak is very friendly. I can go and hug Buckbeak sometimes. Good emu. See, Buckbeak. Can you look at the camera? Look at the camera. Hi, Buckbeak. Hi, Buckbeak. There's a good emu. You good baby. I'm also able to walk Buckbeak sometimes. I'm not gonna do that right now because not a big fan of it when I do it, but good. Bean bean bean, bean bean, bean bean bean, bean bean, bean bean, bean bean, bean bean, bean bean bean, bean bean, bean bean bean. You good goose. Bean bean, bean bean, bean, good bean. Bean bean, bean bean bean, bean bean, bean 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 bean, bean bean. One more update. We got rid of most of our cattle except for 3. We've got these 2 right here, and then a 1-year-old heifer. Her name is Apple, and she's somewhere loose out here. But these 2 we want to get them friendly. So they've been staying in the barn and getting sweet feed, and I've been spending time with them, and they're still a little shy, but they watch us here. That is Cookie. He's our bull, and then behind him is Candy, and she's a heifer, or gonna be a heifer, and they are super cute. And I think we've got a good chance of making him friendly because he'll just stand and watch me. He doesn't really run away, he just watches. So hopefully they'll be nice and friendly. That is our update for how our garden and our farm is doing. We've been super busy, so we haven't been doing much in the garden, but we're still getting a lot of stuff out of it, and I think things are going pretty well. Right, Bean?